Good job, guys. You're coming down the mountain. Come on. She tired?
Maybe she wants me to leave her.
Hi, Haru. Desmond, slow down. Slow down, bud. Good boy. You did so good. Haru, good boy. There's Robin.
Hi.
Where's Greta?
She's here.
Hi, Greta. You tired? All right. Good job, guys. Haru, say hi.